Have you ever wanted to easily send or move photos, text, or files between apps on iOS? Well, now you can with the new drag and drop feature on iOS 15. Let me show you how easy it is to do. Hey, what's up? It's Pablo, helping you live a modern lifestyle through technology. And on this channel, we talk tech and how tech fits into our lifestyle. We do this via tech reviews, tech tutorials, and how-to videos. If any of these topics interest you, consider subscribing. Let's get right into this video. Let's start by dragging and dropping photos. So we can go to a website, so we have some photos here. We'll hold there, then we'll drag it. Then we'll just go to this, just drop it right here. So we're dropping into messages. There you go. That's how easy it is to do. You can also drag and drop many. So let's grab this one, drag it. Now that one, that one, that one. Let's grab a couple more. And then we'll go to back to this, which is messages. We'll drop it, and there you go. See, they all fall right in there. Pretty easy to do. We can also drag and drop from your photos. So let's grab this one here, go here, back over here. We'll drop it right in there. You can still do the same thing where you can grab more than one. So that one, do this, that. Now let's go to the messages. And there they are. It's that easy, super simple to do the photos. Now you can also do text as well. So we'll grab some text. So let's grab this. We'll hold it. And now back here, drop it, and there you are. That's simple to do text as well. And you can also do files. So let's go grab some files, or grab a file. Files app. Desktop. Let's grab this. Come here. And we'll drop it. And there you go. That file was just dropped. This is how easy it is to use the drag and drop feature. You literally just hold on it, and then you drag it down, find whatever app you want to go to, whether it's messages, put it right in there, and it just drops it, and then you can send it. Pretty simple, easy to do. Have you used the drag and drop feature? Let me know in the comments below if you have or are planning to use this feature, and if it'll make your life easier or not at all. So that's really it. Pretty simple, easy to do, drag and drop feature. I think it's a nice upgrade. If you like this video, give it a nice thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Any comments, questions, suggestions, or anything at all, just put them down in the comments below. I love interacting with you. And just like always, just keep on living a modern lifestyle through technology. See you on the next one. Peace. Bye.